wonderful people, welcome into my painting studio and in the same time welcome to my channel. Today's video it's about come closer. So today's video it's about one winter afternoon I was immersed in my studio carefully crafting a bracelet for a friend. The bracelet was meant to represent purple mountains, a gift for his beloved wife who loved the color purple. So we agreed to a sunset over Amethyst mountains. As the brush gently glided over the surface, my mind wandered through the wonders of the color purple and the fascinating qualities of amethyst. Hi, I'm Larissa, a visual artist, and beside painting, I'm passionate about crystals. My collection is vast and colorful. Each crystal tells a story and carries unique energy. Among all my treasures, amethyst is one of my favorites, not only for its beauty, but also for the powerful properties attributed to it. Purple, a color that represents royalty and spirituality, has always exerted a strong pull on me. It's a color that stimulates imagination and brings the sense of tranquility and reflection. For me, painting with purple is like diving into a world of dreams and meditation. Amethyst, with its shade ranging from light lavender to deep violet, is considered a crystal of transformation. It is known for its properties of protection and purification, capable of dissipating negative energy and promoting serenity. I always keep a piece of amethyst into my studio, firmly believing in its power and help find inner peace and mental clarity. As I continued to paint, I felt a deep connection with the bangle that I was creating. Each brush stroke was an act of love and devotion. I knew that whoever wore the bangle would feel a bit of my energy and passion of crystals. When I finally completed the piece, I held it in my hands and looked at it with pride. It was perfect. The mountains reflected on the lake, a harmonious combination of color and feeling. I smiled, happy to share a piece of my enchanted world with someone who needed it. For me, crystals are not just stones, they are silent friends offering wisdom and support in times of need. And that purple bracelet, imbued with love and spirituality, would be a precious gift for whoever receives it. If you made it until here, don't miss the final result. Leave your comment down below, leave your thoughts about it, and if you like crystals, do you have any? Which one do you have and why? And enjoy the video.